Are you a student, working professional, job seeker, or a small business owner? So you have reached on the right place. We are welcoming in this page. Hey, my name is Sir Singh, journalist turned into digital marketer. I'm now the part of Digital Infinity, and we are going to conduct a digital transformation workshop, and that will be really very helpful for you because we know किस पॉइंट पर आप स्ट्रगल करते हो. अगर स्टूडेंट के हैं उनके क्या ऑब्जेक्शंस हैं, अगर आप एक वर्किंग प्रोफेशनल हो आपके क्या ऑब्जेक्शंस हैं, अगर आप ओनर है वहां पर आपके क्या ऑब्जेक्शंस हैं, कहां पर आपकी ग्रोथ रुक रही है, वो सारी चीजों को हम समाहित करते हुए एक वेबिनार कंडक्ट कर रहे हैं जिसमें हर एक आपके क्वेश्चन का जवाब आपको दिया जाएगा. इन दिस webinar we are covering lots of things like digital marketing, AI tools, graphic designing, video editing. Along with that, we will be working hard. We will be working hard on the communication skill. As we know that without communication, you cannot express your thoughts, your idea, your suggestion to anyone. So that is a very important tool for each and everyone. Because if you are a student, so definitely you are suffering from the time management problem. You are suffering from expressing your thoughts. If you are a working professional, no doubt you are struggling with your hikes. If you are a job seeker, so you are also facing like how to face your interview, how to express your thought the right way. And if you are talking about the AI tools, so that will be helpful for you, and it will be very growthful for you. And don't forget to join this webinar. Once you join it, so you will get a lots of clarity that how to use AI tool to grow your life, because this is a really advanced and awesome tool. I have researched the multiple tool and compiling all the tool and provide to you. So don't forget to be the part of this digital transformation workshop. Click the link below and join this webinar. Register your slot because slot is really limited. And in this webinar, we will be covering your all the queries and trying to sort out your all the objections. You will be on the next level. So don't forget, click the link below. Join this webinar right now. Thank you so much. Good to see you in this webinar.